How you doing? I'm Larry. I'm with 121 Motorsports. Got this 91 Corvette. It's a nice car. I've had it a while, and I think the reason it's not selling is because of how the Carfax read. I believe that the Carfax is wrong. I can't get it corrected. So I'm going to go over it and tell you what I think. If it helps you, if not, I understand. So I got this 91 Corvette. If I'm showing you this Carfax, you've either requested it or you're interested in the car. On the top of the title, this is normally in red. My printer is not printing red for whatever reason. But it says branded title, not actual mileage. I believe that's an error, either a clerical error by the state. So I'll just kind of go through this, and I'll try to make it quick so it's not long and drawn out. So, it has all this alert. And normally that's in red, and it's just, I think, the people I sent this to, I usually just send it to them and then, I tell them about it, but it's probably easier for me to show someone. So the car was bought new. It was titled in Pennsylvania with 157 miles. And then in 95, it had 36,000 miles. It was still in Pennsylvania. I don't know if this person moved or it was sold. It went to Illinois. The title was issued in Galesburg. Looks like it transferred. So in 99, it had 40,000 miles. In Illinois, at that time, after 10 years, they did not put mileage on the title. It would say, just like it says now, mileage not required. So from this point further, this title in Illinois would not have mileage put on the title. In 02, there was a title issued. I don't know if somebody changed names or added somebody's name, or I'm not sure what happened. But as you notice, there's no mileage on the next three transfers of title, whether somebody added a name or a lien or whatever the situation was. So no mileage is added because Illinois did not put mileage on the titles after 10 years. Then the car goes to Iowa, and it says not actual mileage issued. Well, the mileage wouldn't have been on the title. So I believe it was a clerical error because that title would have had this, mileage not required. I believe it was put there in error. Or one other thing that possibly could have happened when somebody signed it on this is the copy of the title that I currently have. When somebody signed it, you'll see that they went through that box. Well, it's possible that happened too. It says the owner number read is not actual mileage. So that could have happened when that transferred from here to here. I've got with Carfax to try to change it, and they won't change it because it was a state, a state agency, and the agency, obviously they told me to contact the agency, but I'm like, it's from 2008. I mean, they're not going to research this for me. So I asked them to put a notation on it that it's possible clerical error. So they would not. So that is what it is. I can't do much about it. And it goes on, the car, and then at some point where it does get mileage, in a service point, the mileage doesn't go, backwards. It continues forward. So I believe it's a clerical error. This car is nice. It looks, all original paint stuff. So I understand if the Carfax is throwing you off. It's not an expensive car. I believe it's a clerical error. Oops. And as you can see, the title now has mileage not required. It doesn't say not actual mileage. So I believe it's a clerical error. Carfax makes mistakes, and believe me, the state agencies make mistakes. So I understand if that's throwing you off of it, but this car is nice. The condition of the car, matches the mileage. So if you got any questions, let me know. Thanks for taking a look.